Welcome students. Sheet to Sheet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastava, your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you General Science for Standard 8, Chapter number 2, Health and Diseases. So let's start. Health and Diseases. This is the pic. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. What is disease? Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Types of diseases. You must have heard the names of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart diseases, etc. Reasons and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in scientific study of diseases, diseases are classified as follows. According to duration, chronic disease, acute disease. According to reasons, hereditary diseases, example, Down syndrome, acquired diseases. Number 1, infectious diseases. Number 2, non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases, example, common cold, flu, dengue. And non-infectious diseases, example, diabetes, heart diseases. Infectious diseases. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, insects and other animals are called as infectious diseases. Name of diseases. Number 1, tuberculosis. Pathogen, Mycobacterium tuberculei. Mode of infection, spitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with and sharing of materials of patient. Symptoms, chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation, difficult breathing. Prevention and treatment, BCG vaccine, isolation of patient, regular medication like DOT. Hepatitis, jaundice, hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, and E. Contaminated water, sharing of needles, blood transfusion. Anorexia, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, gray stool. Prevention, drinking boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Name of disease, dysentery, pathogen, bacteria, virus, Shigella, bacilli, entamoeba, histolytica. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Symptoms, watery stool, pains in abdomen. Prevention, drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food, ORS consumption. Next, cholera. Pathogen, Vibrio cholerae bacterium. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Symptoms, vomiting, fever, diarrhea, cramps in legs. Prevention, following hygienic practices, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. Next, typhoid. Salmonella typhi bacterium, pathogen. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Symptoms, anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 104 degree. Prevention, drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage. Now, some important diseases of present days. Number 1 is dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den-1,4 virus belonging to the type Flavivirus. Symptoms of dengue, acute fever and headache, vomiting. Pains in eye socket is very prominent symptom. Decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. This is the pic of dengue mosquito. Next, swine flu. First case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009. Swine flu is caused by the virus influenza A H1N1. Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through secretions of nose, throat, and saliva. Symptoms: difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pains. This is the big symptoms of swine flu. Next, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person-specific. This is the pic of origin and evolution of AIDS. Infections through animals. Number 1, rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Hydrophobia, fear for water, is one of the important symptoms of this disease. Rabies is a fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Symptoms start to appear within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Symptoms of rabies: fever for 2 to 12 weeks, X-aggregations in behavior, hydrophobia, that is fear of water. It's the pic of rabies. Virus transmitted by infected saliva through bite or wound. Non-infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. Some diseases are as: number 1, cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancerous cells is called as malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. Reasons: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content, fruits and leafy vegetables in food, excessive consumption of junk food, pizza, burger, etc. are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. Symptoms: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, unexplained weight loss. These are cancer cells. Pick. Diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Symptoms and reasons. Symptoms: frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Reasons: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, mental stress. Subject of diabetes. Next, heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart diseases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, Immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms and reasons: severe chest pains, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness, tremors. Reasons: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, anxiety. Subpick types of heart diseases. Misuse of medicines. Sometimes some people take the medicines without prescription of doctor. Overdose of medicine may affect your body. Example, overdose of painkillers may damage nervous system, excretory system, liver, etc. Generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These are manufactured and distributed without any patent. These medicines are at par in quality with branded medicines. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on research as their formula is readily available. These are the picks of generic medicines. Lifestyle and diseases. Lifestyle includes the daily routine and the type of food. If frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasanas, pranayam, and physical exercise. Vaccination is important to prevent the infectious diseases. These are the pics of pranayam, yoga. Thank you, students.